Starting a big job today. Well, not kind of big. We'll get it done today. But we are demoing the entire upper ceiling above these wood supports, these wood beams. We're in a restaurant that has been getting worked on and is going to be reopening. And so we're removing the first layer and then that second layer of wood slat, whatever you'd call that crap. We got some scaffolding, so we'll be able to get up there no problem. We got the tools. We just don't know how long it's gonna take. So we'll let you know on that one. Step one, we're gonna empty these 2 trash cans. He already took one out. Get rid of this box, that small piece of plywood, and this, and take it to the dumpster out back. We got a shit ton of trash cans. We got a shit ton of ceiling. And it's time to get to work, motherfuckers. So we got 3 trash cans full. We've taken down some of the ceiling over where Kyle's at, and I'm about to get rid of the rest of this tile. Hardest part is gonna be getting this wood chiplap, shitty, whatever the fuck you call it, down.
With the pipe thing, sprinkler system.
You just gotta go around it and be careful, so we'll save that for last. Yeah, don't worry about that right now. Definitely getting a little toasty out here. We got 6 buckets, 2 already over there by the dumpster that we're emptying so far. Master Cow. We are making progress. What a fucking mess. All right, I'm gonna bust out the Sawzall right here. And hopefully we can make this go a lot faster by getting this done, putting on a small blade. And then we can hopefully get this going a lot faster. A lot faster is the plan. Heavy duty, that's for metal, that's for everything. Y'all dig.
corded shit sucks, but this Bosch Sawzall is pretty badass though. It does its job. Does its fucking job. Alright. Let's get to it. I'm wearing a mask too, obviously on my head, but I can feel when I'm not wearing it, breathing in all this fucking nasty shit. I fucking hate it. We just got back to the job site, had to go get another fucking Sawzall, and we're gonna get back to it. Dirty, dustiest fucking man, but we're making progress. Definitely won't finish today. We'll be here for another 3 hours, 2 hours, and then we'll come back tomorrow and knock it out. So here's the room. As you can see, that shit's looking crazy. And this is the little bit of work that I did with the Sawzall. After realizing how much easier it is with the Sawzall, that's why we went ahead and went to get that second one, so we can just start cutting straight down and removing all this excess bullshit, letting it drop, cleaning it up, and getting it done. All right, so this is what we're doing. As you can see, I'm taking a Sawzall and I'm cutting along one side, which looks just like this. So that way I can just tear all these down. And you have all this insulation. Fucking nasty, been here for who knows how long. Crazy as fuck. Progress. Dirty, dusty. Definitely gonna be a 2-day job. We will be back here in the morning, but we probably got another 2 hours before we head out. So back to work. All right, gang, so this is where we're at. We haven't really messed with any of this debris. God dang. Cleaned up this area as best as we could for now. This is what we have done. And so we should make quite a chunk of progress tomorrow and have this almost done, if not fully done. Best part about this job is it's being done by a general contractor, and even, oh, let me turn this fucking light out. Even the general contractor told us to just give them an hourly price, and when we're done, we're done. So we've been at it for 6.5, almost 7 hours today. So that's $650, and then however long it takes tomorrow, and if we got to come back again, that'll be even more. But this is definitely going to be a well over $1,000 job, which is a-okay with us. And no dump fees, no cost, because we're able to dump everything outside at a dumpster out back. So labor is literally the only cost that we have in this job.